You won't believe this. I just did a 10-minute video. But I forgot to start the video with my $99 broom. I turn it this way. I become a Nero Viking, right? I become the pirate ship. You know, that hat is the same thing the admiral wears. And so the Vikings wear the same thing. So symbolism of a Viking, right? The second thing I wanted to say is this a $99 broom. That's right. It's a $99 broom because for the 24 hours of the day, if you can keep yourself happy between A and C and not have to work for somebody else for the greatness and big, big, big because of the rich, 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 who are we actually working for? Who's buying this? Not the rich, rich, rich. It's the poor, poor, poor that are buying everything, making people rich, rich, rich. Rich, rich, rich. This is your most important thing, coming home and deciding what you can do in your own household. Well, everybody gets rich, rich, rich. Why are the taxes going up? Why are the streets all of a sudden? Because we demand it for ourselves. And then we demand from another. We're always demanding from another. Security. We demand from another to do this. And we demand and we demand and we demand. We're always demanding and wanting. We're always looking to make the bigger buck. Always looking to make the bigger buck. The bigger buck. Rudolph. Was he the biggest buck? He had a red nose. We always want to find the best. We always want to have the best students. We always want to pay the most so we can own those people. Encourage them to spend all their money on big houses, big cars, and invest it and then lose everything. And all of a sudden, now we've got them by the nuts. Now they're working for us and they can't go anywhere because they're all indebted. We taught the population that a 7, 15, and 20-year lease rate on a 10-year-old car, on a house, on whatever you do, this is where we fell. Jumping off subject, negative, photo, right? Photo, Pluto. See the photo, right? It says mistake, tax. Mistake, tax. Toe is also the word for water. The water flows because that's what money does. See the 912, 305? It equals to 1217 plus minus, it equals to 996. It is the percentage sign. Do you see the D and B on here? When you put them together, right? You have to put the D up top and the B down at the bottom, and you end up with the percentage sign, 2 and 4. 28 times 13, 13 moons, 28 days. Equals to 304. Halloween, the 31st day of the year. 10, 31, 1, 4. DNA. Coming from DC, 3 by 4, 3 plus 4, 19. They're on opposite sides. Add 19 to this side. Okay? Add 19 to this side. But 1 and 9 is 10. Add 10, add 10. Forget it. Add 1 and add 1. 13 and 14. M and N. When you turn the N the other way, they both become M. M and M. 44 area space. 0 equals 6. Okay, this one was a slight error into this. 28 and 28 is 56. 360 and the next 2 moons are perfect for 360 degrees. 0 equals 6 equals 364. 13 by 28 equals 364. It is perfect because 13 moons pass. Halloween is the end of the year, and in a leap year, that extra day is our birthday. So that would be the day we're coming into this world. Who is behind the moon? Man stepped on the moon. He stepped through the moon. He stepped over the moon. The cow utters no words. And when we signal the ball is on the way, we always say 4. Right? We're not round. We're not round. We have a distributor that takes an area of space. 364. The inchworm. Bugs Bunny, they took the axe and they wanted to cut it right where my pen is. So the worm moved over here. Then the worm moved over here. He took up all this area and this. Then he took up all this area and this. So he took one part of this area. So right away, this area must come in 3 parts. 3, 6, 9 parts to the 1-inch room, to the 1-inch worm. Is that correct? Now, why 9? The heart is 9. We have a 9 run. The area in the center, okay, is diagonal to that 9. The reason it's diagonal to the 9, I don't know, but it shows it on the calculator that 1 is across from 9 on an angle. And if that's the situation, we have to turn the number pad this way and make it across, right? It would go from here to here, 9, and then from here to here 9, and from here to here 9, 9, 9, 9. If we went this way, we'd go 3 to 7, okay, is 4. 7 to 3 is 4. 3 to 7 is 4. 4, 4, 4 is 12. And 9, 9, 9, 9 is 27. 27 and 12 is 39. 9 times 3, 9 plus 3 equals 39. That's how the roads of Saturn's flow. You want to go straight? It's 1, 2, 3. Is that not correct? 1, 2, 3 is straight. 1, 2, 3. You go from 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. So straight across this way is 9. So you have 39 and 9 is 48. That's the number to the sun. 48. S-O-N. Sun. 2 heads, both round on each side, but it took 9-0, the body. 9 and 0, the body, the whole body, to connect the 2 minds. We are in another world, typing out saying, Ronnie, I hope you can do it. Ronnie, I hope you can do it. It's me, it's me, it's me. It's your own self telling you what to do. You're on Earth, but you have no control other than your own imagination, and you thought you did it, but we worked together. Work with me, in here, right? We're split in here. Could be the horseshoe that all the men impose. Remember, it's woe man, so woman. Is the woe added on to the man, or is the man taken out of the woe? Woman, separating the two, well, they added woe to create woman. Well, right. The woman, you come in, the womb. The number and the womb, same numbers. Did we talk about this yet? Negative. Photo. I need to write something down. Negative photo. Photo means mistake, toe. O is water in sound. T and F, 26, 20 plus 6, 26, 32, the doorway. F and T, the water. This is faux, A-U-T. This is toe, A-U-X. The transmission of X, 29 the birth, 19 the spirit. The yellow world, photo. Negative, you ever see what the negative looks like? You smile and it looks like you're all gray coming into this world. Because you come into a body, you come in through the air, you come in, you're built. They build a receivership through you. You are a receivership. It costs money to have receiving. We are internet portals, and they're being charged. They're being charged to keep us alive. One of the scenarios, because there's many scenarios. We can be in the wrong world. And if the world is all wrong, they just collapse the world. It disappears. And we're back to where we were in day one. We go to sleep, we wake up, and we go, oh. We could be waking up in multiple worlds all the time. Never really the same father. Don't you notice one day you wake up, your father's like this. The next day you wake up and father's not even there. Passed on, passed away. Remember, the average age is 82. So let's take the average age of 85, because that's the number to the spirit matrix, and find out how the zodiac works to bring that average age of birth into the next world. Don't forget, we can stretch overtime, extra innings, right? Extra innings, overtime. We're in the B world, right? That's why we can get 2 points after the touchdown, 6 and 2. Photo. False rate is what it should be. False rate, false 8, false resident, false angel resident of time, electronic. Photo, false rate. I don't know if I want to talk about the dealer, the table, and the players. They only play on a partial table. Table doesn't go all the way around. If you have another table here in the back, you need 2 dealers, right? You need 2 dealers and the pit boss, and you need the money to set up this situation. We are set up exactly what we're living right now, just a little bit deeper into the figure it out between us route. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching this video.